Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Xbox 360 red light on power button. So, if you're interested, let's get started. So if your Xbox 360 power button is showing a red light here, well, there are going to be a few things that you could do to probably or possibly fix this issue. So first things first is you want to make sure that the power supply is properly connected to both your console and your wall outlet. Then from then on, you want to check the LED on the power brick here. So in this case, it should be green, and if it's red or orange, there could be an issue with the power supply itself. So you may want to use a different plug or even try using a different power supply brick itself. So in this case, sometimes the power supply is a problem. So try troubleshooting by connecting to a different outlet or using a different extension and see if that actually helps. And also you want to make sure that your cables or video cables here are not loose. Now sometimes if they are loose, there might be some issues, or you might get this red light here on your Xbox 360. So make sure they are security plugged. So any wires they have right now, just make sure they're properly plugged in. Then from then on, if that doesn't work or you're sure the power supply is not the problem, well, another thing you could try doing here is you may want to disconnect any external accessories. Like for example, if you have a USB connected in here, you may want to disconnect and basically unplug it from your Xbox 360 and basically see if that actually helps. Now sometimes external devices can be cause this one, and it might be causing some internal glitches inside. So in this case, removing them one by one can actually help you with this. And if none of those actually work, you could actually try performing a hard reset. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to unplug the power cable from both your console and your wall outlet here, and wait for at least like 30 seconds. Then once the time is up, you could go and just reconnect everything and turn the console back on. And also you may want to prevent overheating here. So typically, in order for you to prevent overheating, you may want to basically clean your Xbox here. So if there are vents in the sides here, also in the back if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, basically just clean your Xbox here and make sure it's in a area where it's well ventilated. Now in this case, a red light here can indicate that your Xbox is overheating. So if you do feel that it's quite hot, you may want to basically cool it down first. Now in this case, if you want more details on to see, or you want to know more what's causing the issue itself, what you need to do is you just need to press and hold the sync button while holding it, press the eject button 4 times. Now, number of red lights flashing will correspond to the specific error code here, which in this case, you can look up for more details. But yeah, so if none of this actually work, you may need to reach out to a technician that actually knows how to fix an Xbox 360 that has the power light, that has the red light on the power button. So sometimes it might be a software issue or hardware issue here. So consulting a technician that knows how to fix this one is the best course of action if the before steps does not work for you. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.